Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about today's problem of the day. So the today's problem is that we have to find the minimum number. So we have given we will be given one array which containing the elements, and we have to do the operation such that array of I is greater than array of j, and we have to replace the array of I value with the array of I minus array of j. We have to do these things till we minimize the value of the array, and after that we have to find from the minimized array the maximum element. As you can see here, 3 2 4 we have given the array. So in the first operation what we will do is that we will subtract 4 and 3, and whatever the result that we obtain, that we will store it at the index at the place of 4, that is 1. Then again we will pick the two element maximum element, and we will subtract this two element, and whatever the result we have obtained, that answer we are going to store at the place of 3. Similarly we will proceed. Here you can see 1 to 1 we had obtained the array. After that again we had find the maximum element, and we had subtracted, and the result we had stored at this maximum element. Then these two maximum element we had chosen, and whatever the result that we obtained we had put it here. Then similarly here, then after this we cannot do this operation because 1 minus 0 the result will remain same. So this is our end, and so here we will return the maximum element from the array. Let's Now I am going to explain you the approach on the whiteboard so that it could be more clear to you. So suppose we have given these elements, okay, 2 and 4. So what we will do is that the approach is that we have to basically find the greatest common divisor in these two. How? That I am going to explain. See this 4. We have the maximum element 4. So if I subtract the multiple of 2, means 2 times 2, if I subtract it from the 4, then our array will look like 2 comma 0. And now this is the end. We cannot do further that operation, and here we can clearly say that the maximum element which is present in this array is 2. So what is this 2? 2 is basically the greatest common divisor of these two. 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Similarly 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So the greatest common divisor among these is 2. So we have to basically find the greatest common divisor in this, that is 2. If I take the example of the second case, then in that case also I will explain you that how the GCD is working. So for that, let me clear it out. Okay, let's take the first case, this one. So here also we have 3 to 4. So what I had done is that first I will be finding the GCD. The GCD of these element is 1. Since 1 is odd and 2 other are even, so here GCD is 1. So see, first we had selected 4. First we had taken 4. If I will subtract the 2 times multiple of 2 from it, then it will become 0. So the resultant will be 3, 2, 0. Similarly, if I will subtract 1 time multiple of 2 from here, then the result I will obtain is 1, 2, 0. Then again, if I subtract 1 time multiple of no, if I subtract 2 time multiple of this 1, then what I will obtain? 1, 0, 0. And you can clearly see this 1 is the GCD of this number, as I had explained you. So now I am going to explain you the code part. So in code part, we are simply going to traverse the element in answer. Answer is basically storing the GCD of letter numbers. So in answer, we will store the zeroth element. After that, we are going to traverse the loop, traverse each and every element. I'm going to find the GCD of all the numbers. The answer will be 2 times underscore GCD of answer, comma, array of I. Then at last we will return the answer. But suppose if we have only one element, in that case we won't be able to find GCD. So in that case we have to return 0. Let me run it the code. It is running fine. Let me submit the code. Yes, it got submitted. Thank you for being patient. If you think that this video is helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.